Hello, this is a video of how to do swishy for the 12 o'clock intermediate class. I've already taught this trick to some people, but most people are very bad at it and don't really know how to do it and just need a lot more practice in general. So when you do this, you can have a loop or you can also not have a loop. Honestly, it does not matter to the trick itself. So here's a demonstration of how to do it. Alright, so when you do swishy, you're only going to be pulling the yo-yo. You're not pushing it, you're not throwing it, you're just pulling it towards you. Alright, so in the beginning, just try doing this. Just like practice pulling the yo-yo up and over your sticks. And your sticks kind of like are moving around the yo-yo. But then once you get more comfortable with that, you can keep going faster and more sideways, where in the end it's the yo-yo that is moving around your sticks. And you're kind of just like using your wrists to change the direction of your sticks and pulling it towards you. If you notice me doing, like when I'm doing swishy or when you see other people doing it, notice that their sticks are going in like a U shape, sort of, and then the yo-yo is going in like an N shape, like an umbrella. Like this. So when I'm doing it, my sticks are going under the yo-yo at all times. It's always going under, never going over or between. It's always going under the yo-yo, and it's always moving in a U shape while the yo-yo is moving in an N shape. And this trick is 98% control over your yo-yo. So, and honestly, the only way to practice your control is by practicing the trick or other tricks. And so for this, you just need to practice it a lot. You're not gonna get it your first time. And always start out very slowly. Don't start out super fast, because then you won't be able to keep it up for long. My mistake when I first learned this trick was that I thought it was gonna be like some miracle that I could do on my first try, like a few other tricks that I learned. But no, this is all about your practice and going slow. So don't rush into things. You're not gonna get it in like 2 minutes. I mean, you might, but chances are you're probably not going to get it 2 minutes, so don't be impatient. And it's all about practicing. So start very slowly, and then you can go faster and faster. Alright, and then once you get comfortable with like going quite fast and you have good control, you can start turning around while doing it. So it looks like this. So what you want to do when you turn around is you turn towards the direction the yo-yo is. So if it's over here, you're going to turn this way towards it and then pull it towards you. And then turn in the direction where it is and then pull it towards you. Turn towards it, pull it towards you, and then pull it towards you. Again, you're always pulling it towards you, and don't practice turning around unless you're extremely comfortable with it. And also, if you're scared that it's gonna hit you, then it's gonna hit you. But if you're not scared that it's gonna hit you, then it's probably not gonna hit you. So you're turning towards whatever direction it's going. And yeah, that's basically it.